legs and arms ain't an armament. Offered stopping when the chopper chopping them all of mafia policies. Appalled with me for the lack of Harvard with law degree. I fall asleep, but violence vibrant when it's calling me. Sprawled on the floorboard, ain't one I'm strong. Who was washing me, laundering more like with a bomb, but non-Connery. The Tilly Gully turn pussy bullies to goody goody. Silly putty steal out the dome. We watch 'em fully cully. The metal fury, red dogs out. Don't metal bury. Better hurry your last leg ain't getting very sturdy. Blood stains, dog. Eyes on your graveyard. See you with the hammer. Ain't no telling what your chainsaw. Went up against that chainsaw, praying this'll change. Aw, shame not. Slitting sissies while sipping that Jane, y'all. Rip the cord, bitch, I'm off the chain. You crying like a baby, thinking there's no cost to gain. The devil's in the details till your heart's replaced. In every shade with death's a little hard to base. Rip the cord, bitch, I'm off the chain. You crying like a baby, thinking there's no cost to gain. The devil's in the details till your heart's replaced. In every shade with death's a little hard to base. And I ain't having it, shit done came to a catalyst. Dividing hard bodies is calculus with anatomy. Flapping like they want action when actually it's an act to them. But when that light flash, they see the cameras again. And then I'm right there, same as when I write there. Eulogy for sleeping on me, Freddy with the nightmares. Wanna go some merry rounds, homie, I don't fight there. It's me with that old shit, like you got denied, yeah. Sorry, was I aggressive? As long as you got the message. The best of any aggression is when there's mental retention. Cause anything less is messy. The lesson is not to test me. Slashing up, down, left, right. Hope to God I don't press big. But popularity, only interest in dropping numbers. Funny what I turned into was unbecoming. I've been driven insane, so what's the use of running? Bitch, I'm on the come up while you settle on the up and coming. Rip the cord, bitch, I'm off the chain. You crying like a baby, thinking there's no cost to gain. The devil's in the details till your heart's replaced. In every shade with death's a little hard to face. Rip the cord, bitch, I'm off the chain. You crying like a baby, thinking there's no cost to gain. The devil's in the details till your heart's replaced. In every shade with death's a little hard to face. Ain't measuring dicks, masturbating on masturbation. Emasculate him like shit was early emancipation. Then bash his face in right before I decapitate him. Get